Hey, what's up everybody? I welcome you all guys to this video. Today we will be discussing about an important topic. Topic is about copycatters. You might come across a situation where black is just copying your moves, or you have a friend who just copies your moves while you play chess. So you might want to punish him, not in real but in the game. You want to punish him. So let's see how you want to do it. Basically, this is a basic game, Italian game. E4, E5, Knight F3, Knight F6. If you want the notations are written on the right side of the screen, as you can see. So you might want to copy it down. Basically, this is a standard Italian game. As you can see, you might come across these games quite often. It is a popular game. These games are played all around the world. Everyone knows these openings. Basically, people who just beginners are taught this opening. At beginners are being taught this opening. Till here, there's nothing complicated moves, simple moves. Now here comes the tail twisting, table turning moves. Not tail twisting, you can say tail twisting too, but what I prefer is table turning move. You will give him a check. There are two legal options: going with the queen or just sliding a king to h8. You might be thinking queen is a foolish move, but trust me, moving the king is more a foolish idea. So what black moves is queen to h8. Of course, he doesn't want to lose his queen. Now you're gonna capture it with your bishop, capture the pawn on g7. The only legal option is to capture the bishop back. Now your queen comes to the game, comes to the party, joins the party, gives the black a check. The only option left is to go for h8. Queen f6, final nail in the coffin. Black is checkmated, white wins. Now there can be some variations to it. Let's see the variations to it. Okay, basically this is a copycat game, so there might not be a variations, but let's see. You played this move and white goes for something like this to counter attack your own move. No, he will not be able to counter attack our own move. You don't want to go for this pawn. Go for the bishop with this pawn because it will result in a tremendous knight fork. So he will lose the king, lose the queen, moreover lose the game eventually. So you are just gonna copy him now. Okay, we are just copying the copycatter. We're just gonna take the knight with a bishop too. Now if he goes with check, we'll slid over up there, slid to h1. At this situation, you can see black cannot give a check because this bishop is blocking. Moreover, there is a threat to this. So what is the legal move? I think the best move for the black is to play with this. Of course, you cannot capture with the queen, or this knight is in a good position, centralized, and you're gonna take his knight. As you can see, this is a win-win situation for you, as you are a piece up. Okay, you are a pawn down, but you can easily regain that piece as you're a pawn knight up, so it won't be a problem to regain a pawn. So you might win in both of these situations. Now let's see another variation. Rather than playing the bishop to square g4, he plays something like this. Now first of all, this is a variation where copycat moves just eliminates. This isn't copycat game anymore, so you want to play with your intellectual. You can what I can say, take it or basically move back. It depends upon your choice, depends upon the game style. So the moment he plays this variation, you are on your own. So this is no bad position for black and white both. This is an equal position for both of them, but okay, as you might see, this is not a copycat game. So the sole purpose of this video to show was when the game is purely copycat. Okay, these variations just deviate from the main agenda of the goal. This is not a copycat game anymore, so I don't want to go into deep dive in this analysis. It's up to your choice to bring it back or to just capture the knight. It is a good position, so you can play this. There's no disadvantage for white, and it has an advantage. Okay, things can't go south for you as white, but as black, you don't want to be on the black side. You don't want to copy moves blindly. You want to learn the fundamental of each and every move. So I hope you liked my video. I hope you will subscribe and like. If you have any doubts, you might write it in the comment section. And don't forget, I stream daily at twitch.tv/tiredhistory.